right, you guys, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off by priming my eyes, and I'm using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'm just going to pop that on my eyelids and blend that out really well. I really love this concealer because it keeps the oil controlled because I have really oily lids. And I'm just going to take this transition color from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm going to use it as a transition color rather. And I love this color. I use it for all of my looks. It's just a very neutral color. Next, I'm going to go in with this metallic Milani palette. I love this little palette. I got it at Walmart. Really inexpensive. And I'm going to use that pink color and pop that on my lid. This is a metallic color and it shows beautifully. And I'm going to make sure the edges are blended out well. And then I'm going to go in with that very light metallic color. And I'm going to place that on my inner corner as a highlight. And next, I'm just going to add some depth to the crease, and I'm going to go in with that black from the palette and just basically darken up the crease to add more depth and dimension to this eye look. So I'm going to take that same light color that I put in my inner corner and highlight my brow bone. And with my e.l.f. liquid eyeliner in black, I'm just going to apply a thin layer and give myself just a tiny, tiny cat eye. Now it's time for the skin. I am using the new Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage foundation, and I have to use two different colors, one for the perimeter of my face and one for the center of my face. So what I've been doing here lately to get a more natural look is I've been mixing my foundation with my moisturizer, and that has been working perfectly. It kind of dilutes the foundation and just gives me a really, really natural look if I don't want like a super full coverage look. So I'm taking this first foundation and going around the perimeter of my face because that's where I want most of the depth. So I'm applying it's actually the color 362 that I'm applying around the perimeter of my face. And then for the center of my face, I'm going in with color 355, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to dilute it with my moisturizer, and I'm just going to apply it to my face. This is just going to give me a more skin-like finish where it's not so super, super, super full coverage. But I really love this foundation. Like, it is so bomb, you guys. For a drugstore foundation, this is like my favorite right now. So I've been using this a lot lately. All right, you guys, to set the center of my face, I'm using this LA Girl Pro High Definition Powder. I really like this because it doesn't really give a flashback. So I'm just gonna put this under my eyes, basically in the center of my face to set the center of my face. And it's gonna give me a nice, healthy glow. I don't like a huge, bold highlight, just something nice and natural. So I use this powder just for the center of my face. And then I go in and I brush off the excess with a foundation brush or whatever type of brush, a stippling brush rather. And it gives me a nice glow, you see, and it doesn't look really cakey. And then for the perimeter of my face, I'm going in with my Lancome setting powder, and I will list it down below. But this powder is a little bit darker, and it's perfect for the perimeter. And before I go any further, I'm going to take the Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray, and I'm going to spray my face. I'm just going to let all of that powder sit in and absorb into my skin. So I'm going to go ahead and pop on these lashes off camera and go right into my contour. You guys know what this is. This is the Fenty Beauty Match Sticks, and I'll have all the colors listed below in the description box. But this is like my favorite for contouring. It's perfect for my skin complexion. But yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and blend that in. And girl, just snatch these cheekbones, honey. And for my bottom lash line, I'm going to apply this Big Shot mascara. It's called Black is Black. It's super black and I love it. Next, we're going to go in with blush, and this is from Becca. This is Snapdragon. This is one of my all-time favorites. I absolutely love this. Beautiful. And next up is lips, and I'm going in with the ColourPop Luxe lipstick in the color Hello Stranger. Super creamy, super pigmented. I love these lipsticks. And you guys know that no look is complete without a good highlighter to set it off. So I'm just going to be applying my Killawatt highlighter from Fenty Beauty in the color Ginger Binge and basically highlight the high points of my face. And I'm going to top everything off by setting my face again with the Milani Make It Do It setting spray. Go ahead and give myself a bath with it, girl, because it turns the mattest of the mattest looks into a beautiful dewy look. And this is the end result here, you guys. This is like my go-to look. This is what I do when I don't know what else to do, when I'm in a rush and I just need to hurry up and beat my face. This is the look that I go for. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think about this look down below in the comment section. I'll have all of the products listed with colors and links to where you can find them. And as always, I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.